Welcome to
Coding with Kids.
My name is Kalia.
And my name is Andrew.
Today we're going to teach you Python.
So today we're going to learn about List Comprehensions, which is a powerful tool. So List Comprehensions is basically, it makes another list based on one list, but in one single clean line. So first we're going to make a list called Students, which has names Andrew, Billy, Cindy, Derek, and Eva. Then we're going to have a new list, which is empty. Then we're going to do a for statement. So this is the regular way we do it. For each item, which is X, in the students list, we're going to if A in the word, we're going to do new list.append X. Then we're going to print new list. So we're going to save it, go to terminal, and type pycomp.py. So did Andrew and Eva, because those were the only names in the list students that had A in them.
So the other names don't have the letter A.
Yeah. Then we're going to do the same thing, but shorter, which we are using list comprehension. So we're going to just do the new list equals X for X in students. Then we're going to print a new list. So this will copy the entire students list into the new list. And we don't need to do this like we do it in one single clean line. So now we're going to save it and run. So did Andrew, Billy, Cindy, Derek, and Eva. So copy the students list. Then we're going to do new list equals for X in students if A and X. So this is the shorter version for the for statement. Then we're going to print a new list. So this is the shorter version, and we do the for statement inside the new list. So now we're going to save it and run. So it also did Andrew and Eva, so it works the same way. Then we're going to do new list equals X for X in students if X is not Billy. So print new list. So this will add all of the items in the students into the new list except Billy. So now we're going to see if Billy is there. So it printed Andrew, Cindy, Derek, and Eva. So there was no Billy. Then we're going to do new list equals x.title for X in students. So this we did the title function, which will capitalize our words. It'll capitalize the first letter and make the words neater. So now I'm going to save it and run. So that Andrew, Billy, Cindy, Derek, and Eva with the first letters capitalized, so it's neater. Finally, we're going to do new list equals x.title, so we're going to use the title function again. If X is not Billy, it'll add the item, else it'll change Billy into Bobby. Then for X and students. Then we're going to print new list. So I'm going to save it and run. So did Andrew, Bobby, Cindy, Derek, and Eva. So in the last list we printed, it did Andrew, Billy, Cindy, Derek, and Eva. But now the Billy changed into Bobby, and they're still capitalized. That's a very cool tool.
Well, that was fun, and that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Remember to smash the like button and subscribe. Bye-bye.